In this video, I'll show you how to add a booking calendar in Squarespace. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and open the website where you want to add online booking. Next, go to Settings, then select Scheduling. If you haven't activated Squarespace Scheduling yet, complete the setup or start a free trial. After that, create at least one appointment type by clicking Appointment Types and entering the service details, duration, pricing, and availability. Now click Availability and set your working hours, available days, and any time off. Next, connect your calendar by opening Calendar Sync and linking your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Apple Calendar, or another supported calendar. After that, return to your website editor and open the page where you want the booking calendar to appear. Now click Edit, then select Add Block. Next, search for and add the scheduling block. After that, choose the appointment types or scheduling page you want to display, then adjust the layout and display settings. Now preview the page and select a test appointment to confirm that the booking calendar displays your availability correctly. Finally, click Save and publish your website so visitors can start booking appointments online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a booking calendar in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.